Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about x equals to b over 2 minus u. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to b over 3, so I will put this one go in here, and we can find the value of u, that is about b over 6. When x equals to b over 6, we put this one go in here, and we can find the value of u, that is about b over 3. Because b over 2 minus b over 3, so we put u go in here, we put s go in here. So b over 2 minus b over 3, we got this one. Similar for the second one. B over 3 we change for b over 6. B over 6 we change for b over 3. S we change for this one. The ds we change for negative du. So we have the formula in here. And that is about cosine 8. This one, that is about sine 8. And the last one, so this one we change for cosine of u. This one we change for sine. This one we change for cotangent. Negative, we can swap the top and the bottom. So we have like this. And now we can change back for s, because when we change back for s, they cannot change anything in here. So this one I will put about capital I, and we know that this one is same with capital I. So I will put I plus I. So this one, that's it in here. And this one, that is in here. So this one plus this one, because they have same common denominator. So we have the formula in here. So this one we can change like this. So cotangent s, that is about 1 over tan s. And this one we have number 1. And number 1, you got number 0. That means I equals to number 0. So that means this one equals to number 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.